Well, what do you think?
Maybe a couple months they'll be ready to move in.
We got a lot of work ahead of us with this one. Yeah, I think we should probably get to work.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Thank you very much.
For years, it was just a dream. But today, that dream is officially real. We are now the proud, slightly terrified owners of a house in rural Japan. We've been living in the countryside of Japan for about 4 years now, on a hunt to buy an Akiya, one of Japan's many abandoned homes. We eventually stumbled on this house, and we knew we had something special.
The praise that need to happen too, but
You look excited.
try not to. Complain it's super cool.
After a year of paperwork, we finally closed the deal. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning visitor, welcome back. I'm Mika, this is Jessie, and this is our dog Pancake. With everything finalized, we now face the daunting task of renovating, and we have our work cut out for us. The first step is to fight the jungle, then spend the next several months slowly turning back the clock on this once beautiful home.
There she is.
Home sweet home.
Yeah. Hidden in that forest.
Okay, well let's go
Take a look at it.
take a look at it. Kind of looks like somebody was here rummaging around. Am I crazy? Well, there it goes. That's actually open hand.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, looks like somebody had some things here. Am I crazy?
Yeah.
We found this mountain house last winter through a friend of a friend, and we quickly fell in love.
Take a look.
The final cost, including the house and all legal fees, came to a modest $13,000.
Storm doors and stuff.
This house is old, really old. While we don't have the exact construction date, tax records show property payments started in 1868, the first year of the Meiji era. After connecting with the owner, we proceeded with a lengthy purchase process, which included tracking down old mortgages and all of the house's remaining heirs.
Took all the photo albums, that's good. Left all the photos.
With the original owners of the house having passed on, it was our job to find all family members to transfer the house titles officially. The house is about 80 square meters. It's a modestly sized house that's just enough for us to manage, but a big project nonetheless.
How cool is that?
So this is the washroom right here. definitely gonna move this. Let's take a look. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, that's gonna have to change for sure.
Pretty sure it's the deeds to the old brewery.
Yes. Score. Though we initially saw some signs of water damage, the ceiling hid our biggest surprise. What do you see up there?
Not a lot, that's good. I kind of want to poke my head up in there.
Oh, that's a big beam right there.
That's what I was saying. And you see how it curves down?
Oh yeah,
All
but
this roof was curved down. I bet there's a bunch of beams like that.
it's kind of rotten though, isn't
Where
it?
the end needs to be taken off completely. Yeah.
Oh, that's too bad.
Look at the wall.
Oh my gosh! That's cool.
I'll stand on the counter and poke my head up in there.
Okay, be careful.
Yeah, a little I don't know if you want to go up there, but
Really?
you might want to.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Did you bring this? You must have brought this.
Yeah. Oh, cool. This is a little rotten, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's completely gone.
But the beam above it feels solid.
Yeah. Got the old mud walls.
Those beams are about twice the size of the beams in our house.
Wow.
Third beam over there, I don't know. Look at the size of that middle one. Oh boy. She's a big one. You see how the roof slopes off here?
Yeah.
This is before the addition. The addition starts right here. But what's happening is we've got these massive, massive beams that are coming down here on an angle. I don't know why, but there's something interesting with the ceiling here. Like this is a huge beam right here, like bigger than any in our house right now. I think it's all rotten off this end. Probably have to cut it off. I don't think it's as bad as I thought it was though.
With the keys in our hands, we immediately faced our first challenge, the Great Wall of Green. Our first mission was to carve out a staging area, just enough space to get tools and materials moving in. This isn't just an overgrown garden, it's a jungle. Japanese summers turned this yard into an impenetrable, prickly battleground of kusu vines, rose bushes, and sasa bamboo. And the only way to cut it down is to dive right in.
Oh, neat. Okay. Holy cow. Oh, right. These rose bushes.
Man, I definitely got much daylight coming through. That's gonna be light. I think that's not good. Together! Victory! Yeah, I know. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's just such a neat angle from this side of the house.
I've been buried for a long time. Long enough to start rotting the side of the house.
I think it's almost time for a break.
Okay, let's have a drink. I've got some daylight happening over here.
Yeah.
We should definitely cut it right back.
Yeah.
Cut it right back to the stalk.
Okay. I think it's actually a camellia bush.
Yeah, there's tons of camellia here. Somebody love camellia. Camellias in the back there.
So what does this purchase mean for our rental? We love our current house. It's more than just a temporary dwelling. It's been the starting point of our countryside life here in Japan. The vision is of dual stewardship, bringing life back to our new Akiya and preserving the warmth of our current residence. Thanks again for watching and joining us on this journey. As always, a big thank you to our amazing subscribers, both here and on Patreon. If you'd like to see an extended, voiceover-free version of this video, you can find it and other videos like it on my Patreon. We'll see you next time. Bye!